Hey! Hey y'all, Formal Killer here, Jessie with Living on a Prayer Flower Farm. And in today's video, me and a few of my friends are going to P. Smith's Moss Mountain Farm. So excited today. He is a famous gardener in the South. He's on PBS. We're going to be doing a lunch and tour of his gardens. So bringing y'all along. We can't get into Moss Mountain Farm just yet, so of course we're going to go sightseeing. We're at Pinnacle State Park in Arkansas, making our way up to the overlook. It is beautiful. Yeah, they are. Ooh. Might be tired before we even get up there. Oh. Ooh. That stuff was a little loose. Oh, wow. Wow.
Okay, that winded me.
Yeah.
Until I'm out of shape.
Look at this, guys. Look at the view.
No, we're actually killing time because we're at 10 o'clock to have a tour schedule.
Going into Moss Mountain Farms. Well, they said come rain or shine, so we got on our
We gonna do it.
Look how pretty everything is behind me. They're getting everything set up. That's where we're gonna have lunch. Full on raining, but still beautiful. I'm excited for the tour. Tree, gosh, it's pretty. Going up to the house. Kristen, you look well prepared. Over 300 years old. I like the rocking chairs.
I want to talk about the
Oh, look at the wisteria.
just trying to finish it up. Of course, we had a shelf here. Who else saw it?
Guys, look at that view. Look at that view behind me. It is gorgeous here. Absolutely beautiful. Very beautiful. Oh, this is my husband's dream kitchen right here. Oh, look at those alliums. What did she say this was? It's so pretty. Look at the house behind me. Look at that. I'm just taking out at the back. I'm glad y'all went back to get umbrellas.
Because I thought if we had wet ducks.
Uh-huh. Thank you for getting the umbrellas. So otherwise it would be pouring. Look at the irises. Beautiful. They said this is covered in gourds in the fall. This is where he dries everything. His drying houses. And the alliums in there are humongous. Let's show you, I'm about to walk through. Look at that. It's a muscadine vine.
Thank you.
Look how pretty. Oh. I'm so jealous. Well, we're going down Hydrangea Alley right now, which of course they're not in bloom because it's April, but imagine coming down here during the summer. Gorgeous. And we're making our way down to the rose garden, which is behind me. The property is gorgeous, guys. If you ever come to Arkansas near Little Rock, you've got to do Moss Mountain Farm Tour. So worth it. Look at that arch. That is so pretty. And then we're just gonna walk down this lane. All sorts of walkways through here. Absolutely breathtaking. Alright guys, we are done. We had so much fun at Moss Mountain Farm with Peon Smith. He actually came and talked and answered questions. We got to see some of the animals, which of course I didn't record any of it, but we had a blast. If you're anywhere near Little Rock, Arkansas, Conway, Arkansas, you'll have to come up to Moss Mountain Farm and check it out. It was wonderful. See you in the next one. Bye.